Hey y'all, so I'm making a Crockpot all-in-one dinner today. I've got a bag of these like baby potatoes that I've cut in half, and they're like the rainbow kinds. So there's like some purple potatoes and some red potatoes. It's gonna look so pretty. Then we're gonna be doing the same with these baby carrots. They're like the rainbow baby carrots. So usually when I make this, it's kind of a bland color, so having these like additional colors in the vegetables is gonna make this look so good. To that, we're going to be adding a packet of chicken breasts. So this is one, I think it's 3 in this package. But it's about 1.5 pounds of just chicken breast, skinless, boneless. And we're just going to cram that all in there. And then we're going to make our sauce that goes right in this, makes this amazing. Do 1 can of cream of chicken soup. I'm going to add 1 cup of just regular milk. And to that, we're adding 1 packet of ranch dip seasoning. And just give that a really good mix. And we're going to pour this all over the chicken and the potatoes and carrots. Just go ahead and get it all in there. And then this gets cooked for 3 to 4 hours on high or 6 to 8 hours on low. So this has been going for 8 hours. I actually cooked this overnight because I kind of like to use my crock pot on low more than on high. So let me go ahead and take out, oh gosh, these look so good. Okay. Go ahead and take this piece out. Oh, yes. Then let's go ahead and dig down for those. Oh, goodness. Look at all that. Potatoes and carrots in that ranch sauce. Look at that. We're gonna go ahead and give that a taste test. Something really cool I learned is that my dinner plate actually fits right on top of the crock pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and try a potato first, because I am definitely a potato girl. Hot, but it's so good. It's delicious. It's so yummy. And I'm gonna have a carrot. And then let's, oh my goodness, this chicken just didn't even need to really cut into it with a fork and knife, and it just comes apart. Oh my goodness. Okay, get that right back in the sauce. That's really good.